Hello all, today we will see how to use Rangoli app. Rangoli app is designed to get all types of dot patterns as per our requirement. First of all, download the Rangoli app with the link given in the description. After opening the Rangoli app, we can see the select mode option in the bottom left corner of the screen. There are 6 patterns available in select mode option. Pattern names are given according to the shapes of the columns. Those are square, rectangle, diamond, hexagon, octagon and custom modes. We will see how to use these patterns. First, square pattern. By using this option, we can create dot pattern for the rangolis with same number of rows and columns. For example, if you want to draw 4x4 column, then enter 4 in the box and click side arrow. Then we can see 4x4 dot pattern. By using rectangle pattern, we can create dot pattern for the rangolis with different number of rows and columns. For example, if you want to draw the column with 7 rows and 5 columns, then enter 7 and 5 in the boxes and click side arrow. Then you can see 7x5 pattern. Diamond mode can be used to create dot pattern for odd number columns such as 5x1, 7x1, 9x1 columns. Suppose if you want to draw 7x1 column, then enter 7 and 1 in the boxes and press side arrow. Then you can get 7x1 dot pattern. Hexagon mode can be used to create dot pattern for even number dot columns such as 6x2, 8x2, 6x4. If you want to draw 6x2 column, then enter 6 and 2 numbers in the boxes and press side arrow, then you can get 6x2 dot pattern. You can also create middle dot pattern by using diamond and hexagon modes. If you want to draw the column with same number of dots more than one row, then use octagon mode. Suppose if you want to draw 7x3x3 column, select octagon and enter 7, 3, 3 in the boxes and click arrow button. Then you can see 7x3x3 dots on the display. Finally, we have custom mode. By using custom mode, you can create any type of dot pattern of your choice. If you want to draw rangoli with borders, you can use custom mode and give zeros in the lines you want to leave as blank. For example, if you want to draw 5x1 column with borders, then type 5 space 5 space 0 space 0 space 1 space 3 space 5 space 3 space 1 space 0 space 0 space 5 space 5. Then you can see dots for 5x1 column with borders. If you want to draw chariot column or other rangolis having different dot pattern, custom mode can do it. You can get dots required to draw any kind of column. You can also change background color and dots color by using bucket option. If you want to change the background color, tap on background, select bucket and select color of your choice. Similarly, if you want to change the dots color, tap on dots, select bucket and then select color of your choice. We can also change dot size by using dot size option. The distance between dots can be changed by using letter spacing option. The distance between lines can be changed by using line spacing option. Redo and undo buttons can be used to undo and redo color changes made to dots background. So friends, this is the introduction and usage of Rangoli dot app. So create dot pattern of your choice and start drawing rangolis. Hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in comment section. Thank you for watching.